What's up, you guys? In this video, we're taking a look at the Oracle Racing Red Bull series of products. It's the Intense Foam Wheel and Tire Cleaner by Armorall. It's the acid-free, all-wheel safe cleaner. We're testing it out on the Audi wheels here. In the bucket, I've got it all prepped with just water and all my brushes. It is warm water. Normally, I put soap in there to kind of add extra lubricity, but today the purpose is to see how this product does by itself. Here's what we're dealing with. You can see a little bit of browning. These wheels haven't been cleaned in a little while, so you see the brake dust there, and it's a black wheel, so you can't really see too much brake dust, but trust me, there is a bit of it there. So this product does not change color, but it will come out with foam because of that foaming trigger there. As you can see by the bottle itself, you have your typical instructions on the back. It is a pH balanced product, and because it's got this foaming trigger, we should be able to stretch this a little ways, but we'll see. We'll test that today. And we're going to follow the directions as per the back of the bottle here exactly. It says use on dry or wet wheel. Cool wheel and tire first. That's common sense. Shake the product really well. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and then evenly spray and coat the wheel and tire surface one at a time, and then immediately agitate with a brush, sponge, or mitt. Loosen soil wheel and tire. Do not let dry, and then thoroughly rinse off. So very standard stuff here. This is a chemical, so I recommend you wear some gloves. So that's exactly what we're going to do, and let's get into it. Okay, to start off, I have a pair of gloves on. The wheel is cool to the touch. Give the bottle a good shake like the instructions tell us to. Turn this guy on, and let's just go ahead and give it a good spraying and see how it goes. This is a full unused bottle, by the way. The color of this bottle actually makes it extremely difficult to see where the level's at. Like, I'm struggling. I probably have to shine a light behind it to see. But you will end up using quite a bit of this product. And this foaming sprayer is actually really good. Really ergonomic feeling for a trigger sprayer. And I'd say so far it's working pretty good. The foam, if you notice, it does dissipate pretty quickly. So it doesn't really stick. So it's disappearing. Looking up to see how that goes, but it is pulling the brown off of the saddle of the tire pretty quick. There's water brush it. And open. Use a brush. Also, I'll mention that if you were to scrub all of your tires twice with this product, unless you're using it sparingly, you're probably going to run out before you get to the fourth wheel. So I'd suggest you just clean everything once, and then if you have any product left, then you can come back. It's already starting to pull a little bit of that browning off. So as you use this, you start to get to a little bit of a smell in the air, and it kind of smells like another wheel cleaner I've used by I want to say Mafra is the brand. It's their wheel and tire cleaner. I'll put a picture up on the screen of what that looks like. It kind of smells like a weaker version of that. And that smells like flowers and potpourri. This product also dies down initially when it comes to foam, but then as soon as you agitate it or have a little bit of water on the surface and give it a good scrub, it does tend to foam up. Definitely not as much as other products I've used. Another tip I'll give you is on your first go around on the tire, don't be afraid to scrub the absolute crap out of it, because I've seen some people spray their tires down, scrub it a few times around and then spray it off and then spray another round of chemical. That chemical's not done working quite yet, so if you think you've scrubbed it enough, go a bit more, trust me. Otherwise you're not getting the full use out of that chemical. And these brushes, these stiff bristle brushes here, they're going to do a lot of the heavy lifting as well when it comes to removing that ozonate from the sidewall. Okay, it's time for some quick final thoughts about this product. Starting with one of the cons, which is the price point. Now, this is a 16-ounce bottle, and as you saw in the video, this thing is pretty much empty, and I only cleaned each wheel once, with the exception of the driver's front wheel and the driver's side rear wheel, which I got to the tires twice and then we're pretty much out. Now, using my favorite wheel and tire cleaners on the market, I can refill this exact bottle with a concentrate, diluted properly, for probably $1 or $2, compared to the $10 I paid USD down in Walmart in the States for this product. So definitely not the most economical product, even though it might seem like it when you're just walking around your Canadian Tires or your Walmarts and stuff like that. So that's pretty much the only negative I have about this product. In terms of the positives, lots to talk about here. One, being that it's a pH neutral wheel cleaner, it did a pretty good job on the tires actually. Normally you have alkaline wheel cleaners that do really well on the tires, and then you have acid wheel cleaners that do really well on brake dust and whatnot. This is a neutral, so definitely a good surfactant package in there because it did a pretty good job on tires and wheels. I don't think this would do too well on baked on brake dust though. It's pretty good for maintenance cleanups and stuff like that. As you saw in the video, it doesn't foam up too well once you actually have it sprayed on the tires, but it still does an okay job. On the second time of going around the tires, it took a bit of browning off after the first round, so it didn't clean everything up on the first round. But aside from that, I mean, it wasn't caustic, it didn't make me cough. It's got a really ergonomic trigger here that has a foaming tip. So this also sits really well in the palm of, or in your hand here, so it doesn't really, it's not uncomfortable in any kind of way. I'd feel comfortable just refilling this with another wheel cleaner and continuing to reuse the bottle if I had to. The bottle is designed really well. Actually, the whole Oracle Red Bull Racing series is designed fairly well. I've tried 4 of their products now and everything has been pretty good. So that being said, I know I haven't been posting too much, guys. I know that I'm in the middle of building a new house and at the same time a new garage, so I'm not in my usual place. If you haven't been watching that, I've been actually uploading videos, kind of updating on the garage, so you can go check those out. I'll put them up here. That all being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you know about this product, or you used it, or you have any comments or concerns or questions about it, drop them in the comments below. That being said, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.